Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So today's video, I just have this good old fall holiday type of beat going on, you know. And y'all, new hair color, period. I had did my braids this past weekend because y'all know I'm on my natural hair journey, okay? I'm trying to get that hair getting back good, getting back lengthy, getting back, period. Y'all know I say I want to wear a bob by this summer, next summer, whatever. So yeah, we just gonna make sure that happens. So you guys, enough about the hair, but if you guys will want me to show y'all how I do some of my protective styles, leave it in the comments down below and your girl will get a video out for you the next time your girl do her hair, if that's what y'all want to see. Please excuse the background noise. Y'all know my kids, y'all know how I get down into his house, okay? When I'm trying to film, they want to run their mouth, okay? So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching.
Oh, hey y'all, welcome back. So I already did my brows off camera, and I will be going in with this e.l.f. camo concealer to prime my lids. What I used on my brows was just a Wet n Wild dark brown pencil, and I also used LA Girl Pro Fun concealer to clean it up, and also at the top to clean up I used Toffee. So just blending out that concealer, I'm going to go in with this orange corrector from Ruby Kisses, and that's like color correct underneath my eyes because y'all can see like some redness. Yeah, that came from when I did that breast cancer look on my Instagram and Facebook. I uploaded some pictures of my breast cancer look, and yeah, that pretty much, you know, what that was. Okay, so going in with this Morphe 24G palette, I'm going to go ahead and take this chocolate shade and just put that on the outer V and kind of blend it inwards just a little bit, but I'm going to kind of keep it darker on the edges. So going in with this Morphe 3502, I'm going to take this burgundy brown type shade and just blend that underneath the crease, okay? And after that, I'm going to just go back in with the same 24G palette, get this brown tan shade, and just blend out the edges of that darker brown shade that we put on first. And yeah, this is like a tannish shade or whatever. Then I'm going in with like this red shade, like a scarlet shade. And I'm just going to put that next to that burgundy brown shade. So not doing a cut crease, that's going to brighten up my lid a little bit so I can put some colors on there. I'm just going to do that with this concealer, the same concealer we used to prime, and blend it out really good and make sure you get all the wetness off. I'm going to go in with the same 24G palette and take that little white tan shade and pop that right at the beginning part of the lid. And then I will be going in with this Magic Mini palette from Juvia's Place and taking that orangey brown type shade, burnt orange shade, and just putting it right next to that white type of shade. So now we will be going in with the Wet n Wild liner. It's a black eyeliner, liquid liner. I have been using this for a while now, and I'm just going to be using it today to do me a wing liner. This is how my liner is going to be looking, but I will be cleaning it up with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and just cleaning up the edges and also the eyeshadow. And then yeah, we're going to move on to our face. So for today's foundation, I will be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. It's their Luminous foundation, and I'm in the shade 470C, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. I did speed up the video some because, I mean, I have several videos of me applying this foundation and I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going in with the Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, and that's highlighting all my areas, and I'm using the shade 10. after I highlighted all my areas, it should look like this. I'm going in with the dark cocoa concealer from the LA Girl Pro Concealers, and I'm just going to do all of my contour areas that I like to contour, which is like my nose, my cheek areas, my forehead, and underneath my chin. Either one of these concealers I really let sit. I just pretty much go right ahead into blending it out. Sometimes I will, let it sit just a little bit, but I didn't too much care about letting it sit today. So I just pretty much blended it all out, and I used the same brush to blend the concealer of the contour and the concealer of the highlight. So afterwards, it should pretty much look like this once it's all blended. And I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. And it's their loose setting powder. I'm in the shade Medium Deep. This is my first time ever using this powder. And I pretty much like this powder. This is a really good powder, you guys. Especially to be drugstore. I believe I bought this like last year around this time. But this is my first time ever like opening it to actually use it for a video. Dusting all of that powder away quickly, I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face just a little bit. And I will be taking the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and using that brown shade to not to contour, to bronze up my face. Guys, normally I always do like my face with like damp brushes and stuff, like most of my brushes I use, everything pretty much be damp. And so this time I didn't. I just wanted to try like a new technique, and I like when I wet my brushes, okay? So I'm going in with this contour palette from Black Radiance. It's the medium to dark palette. And I'm just going to take that dark shade and just contour with that. And then I also will be going back in with this 24G palette and taking that brown shade to contour as well. Most of the time my freckles that I have on my face and my moles get covered up, so I'm going back in with this Wet n Wild liquid liner, and I'm just gonna bring back my moles. I'm not gonna do like the freckles too. I'm gonna just bring back the moles. So I'm just gonna take that highlighter shade out of that 24G palette, and I believe it's in the shade Crystal, and I'm just gonna go ahead underneath that brow and highlight that brow bone. But what I was saying is, yeah, I just like my brushes to be wet. I feel like my face look less powdery and everything like that. So I'm going to go ahead in with the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine and put that on them cheeks, sis. And I kind of went overboard with it, but it's cool. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal powder in the shade Cream Cafe, and I'm going to put that on all the parts that I highlighted just to bring back some color to the face, like some warmth to the face, okay? And then I'm just going to make sure I put that everywhere that I put all of that setting powder to, get that out of the way, because we will be setting this face like crazy. The setting spray that I will be using is the Dewy. I think it's the Dewy or the Hydrating Setting Spray from Black Radiance. And I will be showing you guys that it is the hydrating one, okay? And now I'm just going to be fanning my face. Normally I pat it in, but it is what it is. Going in with this Milani highlighter, I'm just going to be highlighting all my areas. Y'all, this is the bummest highlighter of the drugstore. You know what I'm saying? It's like, period. Like, I feel like them and Maybelline have the best highlighters you can get at the drugstore, okay? Just going to highlight everything that I always highlight, and then I will be blending that out with my powder brush. I did not add any product. I'm just going to use what I have on it. I will be going in with this Ruby Kisses lip liner, and it's in the color or shade Gingerbread, and I'm just going to line my lips out. Also going in with this Ruby Kisses I'm Chic or I'm Chic or I'm Chick or whatever it's called. I'm going to go ahead and put that up on my lips. It's right here. And I really like this color. It's really pretty on my lips, I feel like. And I've just been finding myself just grabbing this, you guys, for everything, okay? And I'm just going to pop this Rimmel London gloss on my lips. And I think it's called Stay Glossy or something like that. And then with this Black Radiance mascara called Bold and Sexy. And I really like this because like the little brush is like really small. So it really gets all those little hairs and stuff. Because my lashes, I have lashes but they like really short at the bottom. And they like thin or whatever. So yeah, it really gets all of those. Okay. And that's what you're going to see me doing now. And then I will be taking my Duo Lash Glue and applying these lashes from my Lash Talk, and I have used them previously.
So you guys, this is how the look came out. Smash that thumbs up button for your girl if you like videos like this and you want to see more content like this. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new and you wanted to join the squad. You like what you saw, you just want to be on a team. Click that subscribe button down below for your girl one time. And turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this beat? Like, comment your thoughts down below. Let me know. 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 I will be popping out more content. I know you guys missed me. I know y'all missed you, girl. I know. Your girl gotta keep pushing these contents. I can't be playing. I can't be playing. Nah. That's pretty much it. I will be uploading pictures, you know, because sometimes I feel like my camera don't do no justice. Okay? I feel like it don't do your girl justice. So, I will be uploading content on my social networks outside of YouTube. And there will be Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, all of that good stuff that I list. You can check the description box and also on the screen for you guys right there. And yeah, I would just, you know, see y'all there, see y'all here, see y'all where y'all want to see your girl. Okay? Nah. But yeah, I'm going to upload pictures of my outfit because, you know, your girl got to show the outfit with the look. All of that. I did do a breast cancer awareness month look yesterday, but I did not record a video. I just felt like I needed to pretty much concentrate on what I was trying to do, so I couldn't really teach that because that was like my first time ever doing something like that. But if you guys want to check that out, I did upload it on some more social networks, so if you guys want to check that out, you know, you can go ahead and go there. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.